Okay, out of 30 eggs, not one is broken. And I will tell you, these came from eBay. So, but both of the sellers on eBay have links to what appear to be viable, actual farms and little business operations. So I feel pretty good about these. And did I mention these guys right here are the blue Wheatons, which I had and I really liked. And then these are the blue black and splash Americanas. Those are a little dirty, the ones at the top. I'm not really sure about setting them, but they're extras, and there is not one egg out of both of these boxes that are broken. So I'm glad about that, and they both came from NPIP certified flocks, so I don't have any issues with adding these to mine since I am also NPIP certified. So we're going to see how these guys did, and I have a huge amount of eggs I'm going to be setting that you are probably going to be shocked about. I'm going to be shocked about, especially when they all hatch. But depending on how these go, if they do great, I'm going to tell you who they were, the sellers were. This little chicken here is Hope. And you may notice Hope is a black chicken. And the way I run my flock, I only keep blue olive eggers and Americanas, so I don't get them mixed up with my black coppers. But Hopi here is black. And she happens to be an Americana. And she has a funny story, sweet story actually. But my friend and her girls really wanted to get some chickens, so I gave them some chicks. And they did well with them for a while, and then something got in the coop and ate every single one of them. And her girls were totally devastated. But then, here came Hope. She was the only one that made it, and she actually didn't have a name until that day, and her girls named her Hope. So, needless to say, Hope came back here to live, and she will probably have a permanent place here now. I don't know that I could get rid of her and have them come over asking to see Hope and have Hope not be here. So there's Hope. She's quite the barker, but she has a special, we call it the explosive bark. And I'll tell you, I have learned the last probably year and a half that when she does that bark, there's something there. And whenever I look at what she's looking at, I'll find something. And last night she did that again when I let the dogs out. And it was night, actually, to go to the bathroom. And she went crazy, barking off out across the field. And I went in and got the binoculars and didn't see anything. And she was really mad about something. And sure enough, there was a coyote out there. And it just made me remember again that she is a very, very good watchdog and has different kinds of barks to let me know what's going on. A good watchdog is very important to have when you live out in the country. I mean, when you live anywhere, but I really appreciate it out here now that I've learned what some of her barking means. Like right now, she's going to bark at something, which is probably nothing. But her barks over the years have alerted me to coyotes right around our property, foxes, what else? A crow a few times. Sometimes birds will throw her off, but she kind of learns what those are. And one other thing we have a lot of farm workers, egg workers around here, and there have been twice where she has let me know early in the morning I've been out working, and she keeps barking at something, and I found people out in the field, which I didn't know were there. So they weren't doing anything, but it was just very helpful to know that she's letting me know stuff.